good day and happy travel. This is Rodman from Travel with Rodman. I have another video I'd like to share with you guys. It's on the Carnival celebration. I have two rooms that we had booked, and I'd like to share these two rooms with you. It's room 12490 and room 12508. Room 12490 is set up for 3 people, and room 12508 is set up for 2. It's on the port side towards the aft. So on deck 12. One of the reasons we like staying on deck 12 because it's kind of like centralized. It's not too far from the Lido deck, the marketplace, which is a few decks up, and it's not too far to where you have to go down to like some of the main restaurants and some of the shopping areas. So deck 12 on these two ships, the Carnival Celebration and the Carnival Mardi Gras, it's a nice deck to be on as far as staterooms are concerned, because like I said, it's not that far from everything, and if you can stay midship, it's even better to where when you go up or down on either one of the floors. So here's your nice little room tour. Hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in a little bit.